Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to add color. It's pre-primed 3 times from Artist Loft, but I have not added anything else to it. This is Decoart Americana 24 karat gold, and I kind of think anywhere that I put this is going to leave a mark behind when I swipe through with my spatula. So I'm going to give it a dose, and then I'm going to use colors that I like. Starting with a purely pigment, which is called Grovy Guava. And some Deep Crimson, which is a Prizm pour. I added some art fluid and some GAC 100 because I had it to some Carnival, which is a purely, primary element. I don't know what that's going to look like, but it'll definitely help spread paint further out. I just did a background in mostly reds with a little gold after, and I thought I would like to have some saffron in there, and I may also add some orange. Just sort of spread it around equidistantly. I used some red interference in the last one, and it did the same thing that I'm using the gold for. And I'm ready to mix up some more. So it does not matter to me if I run out. But it will help spread other paint. I want to use some Rhapsody Rose. Primary element. I don't think I used any dancing fuchsia, and I have mixed up, I did find a little pouring medium to mix up some orange crush, so I'm going to use that as well. Oh, I've got Tickled pink, and I want to use some of that as well. That's a purely pigment. That's some marvelous stuff. Orange crush. There we go. No idea what this is going to look like, but it's going to be fun to play with. Well, that's amazing. Although I need a small spatula. I do have some canvas left behind showing. And it's not a bad thing to try to use my silicone brush, I don't think. Introduce some new marks. I think I've cured most of the canvas showing problem. I think unless I do another stage, this is done. At least in my mind for right now. We'll see when tomorrow comes. I will probably add some color to the edge. I haven't decided what color yet. The only reason I would call it done is because I see very little or next to no canvas. Although I do see a rather large puddle of paint that fell down over the edge, which is perfect for that spot because there is some canvas showing through there. I did the edges on the last background, stage 1, that I did with deep crimson, and it looked beautiful. If I had more saffron, I'd probably be willing to sacrifice some, but I don't, so I'm not going to do that. I could probably let this dry and introduce some blues, just random dots, and pull them through, and that might be beautiful too. But I like it right as it is at the moment, so it makes it hard to really want to go there. Blues, golds, all kinds of opportunities exist for tomorrow for a next layer if I so desire. But I really think that's gorgeous. And that's just spatula. That's just spatula smearing. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.